Hello my people, how una dey? Hope una dey cool. We are back again with another edition. Before I start, I just want to greet all of you. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching my video. Please, I'm pleading with you. If you are watching my video for the first time, please, I'm pleading with you. You should just hit the red subscribe button down there and turn on the post notification, so when I upload any new video, now you will be first person, will be notified. Yeah, let's just right on straight to business. Today na Valentine's wahala. Everything about topic of today na Valentine's problems everywhere. Yo, I'll start with this one. One lady in Nigeria run mad on Valentine's Day when her boyfriend was proposing to her. Her boyfriend proposed to her on Valentine's Day. Instantly, that lady go mad. I don't even know where to make that lady go mad, but I don't know, because nothing like things like that is supposed to be joy and happiness, but it just run mad instantly from the time where a boyfriend they propose for you. As it just say in hand, as people they be talk say yes. You know, that kind of happiness, you understand, for that due to that time, you know, everyone will be telling you say yes. So instantly the lady just run mad. I don't even know, we don't know which way it caused the madness. This world be very wicked. Yes, this world is very wicked. So anything we would do, we will be very careful. Very careful, because the world now, it don't turn being don't turn the hatred for inside the world. This world will get inside. Don't turn being at the one way. That means human being safe, the life we live ourselves, it be risky. Everything about us, everything around us is very risky. So I just play the video for now for see how this lady run mad instantly where his boyfriend proposed for her on that Valentine's Day. Yeah, my people, I don't see that video, how he run mad instantly on that Valentine's Day. I don't know what is really wrong, what was the problem. He just run mad instantly. So my advice to everyone is that we should be very careful the way we do our things. You know, maybe he overjoy whole happiness cause harm, I don't know. Yeah, so just let's move on to the next topic again. I see Valentine problem again. One lady again deny a boyfriend proposal on Valentine's Day inside mall. This one is same for inside Nigeria, for Lagos State. He denied a boyfriend a proposal because a boyfriend proposed for you inside mall for Nigeria, inside mall. The lady refused a boyfriend proposal. Where girls are not define marriage like touch, like waiting. That guy go propose for you, you refuse, you deny the proposal. Where so many ladies are out there finding that opportunity, looking for that opportunity, just to say, baby, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Instantly they will just say yes, but that lady refused that proposal. I don't know her main opinion for refusing that proposal, but maybe the lady, he get the person where he had there for you. You know, women, they don't get now one man. Yes, they chop for this side, yes. So but they get the side where they had there. Maybe he get another guy where he had the day. You see, he get another guy where he had the day fully. The another guy na just start waiting the one makes more, you go take up this side, you understand? Yeah, maybe that guy na that kind of guy. Yeah. So now so it be. I don't really know why he get for ask so, but maybe he get his own guy where he just say he love him. He 244 to T. You know, every person will get your own kind of person way, at least they understand, they collab well. So maybe not due to that. Yeah, not due to that. He turned down the guy he proposal. He turned the guy he proposal like that. Yeah, so my advice to always, if you know say this guy, you know love this guy, no waste the guy time for be with that guy. You make the guy they know say no, you deal with you. And do this, you deal with you, go up rain comes on, you deal with you. They show the guy love, the guy until he reach that kind of level propose. And then when he propose for you, turn down that proposal. And for all the guys there, Baba, I beg you now, when you go propose for girl, for public. That is disgrace, public insult again. As he turned down that your proposal. He turned down the proposal. Baba, better propose for you for inside our room. When he proposed for you for inside your room, he turned that proposal. You know, so only you and you will know they understand. You know what I mean? That only you and you will know. It will end between you and you. But that one of a public way, all man know, all man say, and they turn down the proposal again. That means that shame and that disgrace. But it make a lot of we no guess. Even me say I never marry. I don't have the fear of marry too. I don't have the fear. But no, me say the one way you get you know, no go marry. But all will go marry. Yeah, all we get for marry. But my advice to guys, I say this public proposal, it no be advisable for me. I no like them. Now my advisor, because if the guy turn you down, they turn down your proposal. That's you know that feelings that inside public again. All man be see all man be aware. All those kinds of things go be like talk of the town. So my advice is propose to your girl for inside your room, or for some quiet area where you na both of both of you una dey for that position. If even say turn you down that proposal, it will be saying only you and you una know. Yeah, it's a public this thing. Those things for propose for girl for public, so not all girl will accept too, because you know if the girl hard, maybe the girl get another person where he love and pass you. You know, as a woman again, a woman then again a one man. Yeah, they will get standby man, they will get pash man, they will get man way, you understand, man way they go collect, bring up the other side. So that's so it did. Now my advisor for guys but if you want to propose for girl, propose for inside a hidden position, or two in a day, a quiet area where normal no day, so that it will be that kind. If you want to turn down your proposal, it will be at least now two and one. Yeah, and advice for all girls, if you know say you do some boy you know like that boy, Baba, I mean you know things like that. No because you show the guy that interest, because the guy, although some guy and two, if you want just take that step, yeah, it's very good for take that step. Yeah. So I'll be very sorry for that girl, for the guy. Your major take a heart, na so life day, you go find a better person way. He go feel suitsy, he go take it for who he be. Yeah. So let us move on to the next topic. Still Valentine's wahala again. Today I kind of Valentine wahala. Some married man go catch a woman with another man for hotel. Now still for inside Lagos State for Nigeria. This one.
The guy is married. The girl is married. The girl for record.
Happen. You catch a woman with another man on Valentine's Day. You know that star, or that kind of issue, understand. Why this woman? No. You are a married woman. You still go again, they left your master on Valentine's Day. Now you are a man when I begin for come on, go, and listen, go turn, do some kind of things and together. You left your man, come on, go find another guy, you know, come out. And you are a married woman. On that Valentine's Day, the man can catch them for that hotel, for take other kind of stuff there. Wait till the married woman they want to be outside. Oh no, maybe so you know something that happen. Plenty reason then they maybe on the reason if it come off of the money on side, and the positive reason if it come off of the money on side, and positive reason if it come off of the girl for the woman on side. They don't know what the woman and the man they are passing through in their marriage. But even wait till the pass through for your marriage, you know, give you that audacity to go cheat on your man. Even with the past, because they will be take that oath for better and for worse. Sorry, they will be take that oath for better and for worse. You be that it means you be ready for face anything. You be ready for face anything in your marriage. Instead, find a way for solve. If you get some problem, you and your man find a way. Una look for a way to solve that problem. Not say the man will say, as the man cheat, man go cheat too. Yes. Just the man won't cheat. Just you want show me say one cheat, I go cheat too. He say make the problem more and more and more and more. It add on to another one. Now no go feel for solve them. So I don't know why the woman he left a man for that day go cheat or go mean at a guy for her hotel. Yeah. So guys, make we notice like that. We should find way to solve it and make clear. If you and a woman that get problem, you know need to say me you go cheat. Or if you are a woman get problem, you might know if the man say me the man go cheat. I turn out for the both sides because I don't want to put a way for the one side for the woman one side, even for men too. Yeah. So guys, all that I get time for you for now today. So please, I'm pleading with you. If you are new for my channel to the first time, please, I'm pleading with you. She just subscribe to my channel. I will beg on and I beg. I need subscribers. I need subscribers. I beg on. Please. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much. All my don't watch my video. I want to give you a big shout out. I thank you very much. You know, easy. Thank you very much for watching my video. God bless you. Goodbye.